Are we ready for our third play?
Yes!
Yes! And this one is going to be great. What the kids did this time is they had to brainstorm, think of their own storyline, and come up with all the script right out of their heads. And now they're going to present their story to you. Okay, let me see if our puppeteers are ready. Puppeteers, are you ready?
Yes, we're ready!
They're ready.
You can hear them. That's not good, but you have all of them. Are you ready for the new farm animals? I gotta know what's going on. Did you guys hear? There's a new farm animal in town. Ah! Is it coming to our farm? Spread the word. Just spread the word. Hey, what's up? There's a new farm animal coming to our farm. Yeah. Oh yeah, I gotta say, there's a meeting today in like 2 minutes, so if you could please tell everyone else that. I hate meetings. They're usually bad news. Yeah. Ladies, oh sorry, pigs and cows. Okay, time for me. Hey, what about me? I'm gonna express my feelings. I'm scared, nervous, and kind of stinky. But could you please stop me? I my ears. That's disgusting. Are you sure you have any? I can't reach them, but yeah. Okay, well, there's a new animal coming to town, and I don't know if she's cute or ugly or smelly or a girl or a boy or I don't know any information about it. So, just calm me down. Calm down! You guys, quiet. Do you guys hear that? What's going on today? Okay, yeah, you guys are so quiet and scared. Yeah, we are. Well, I'm gonna tell you some information about me. Well, I'm from my owner's kitchen. I was almost gonna be made into soup. Yeah, it's kind of scary. Just the smell. I really feel bad for you. Yeah, well, whoa, mister, you need to go take a shower. You kind of stinky. You do not talk about my friend like that. Oh, no, my feelings are hurt. Bye. What did I miss? You're kind of soft. And you're really pretty. Thanks. Somebody actually called me pretty. Oh my God, you're really pretty. I like that bow. Oh, I'm gonna do it again. I like your bow. No, it's beautiful. I know. Yeah, what did I do? You guys, I don't think that the farm animal is that bad. Oh, wait, is that my owner? Hi! Hi, you ready? Okay, I'm sorry for coming to Steve. New pet! Oh, it's okay. Now let's boogie. Thank you. Don't you want to love me? Thank you. Thank you. Wave your hand to the
Wasn't that great, kids? And all original by these kids back here, which I am going to bring out right now.
Is there any more? That was fun. It was funny too. Yeah, where the cow screams. Yes, a little something like that.
Okay. Let's give our puppeteers a round of applause. Okay, our first puppeteer is Samantha. Thank you, Samantha. Awesome job. Our next puppeteer is...
Shania.
Thank you, Shania. Awesome job. Our next puppeteer is...
Melissa.
Melissa, thank you. Awesome job. And our next puppeteer is...
Daisy.
Daisy. Thank you, Daisy. Awesome job. All right, kids, let's give it a bow here. And end it with a round of applause. Oh, that was great. Thank you so much.
Hope you guys liked the show.
And I hope you did. I thought it was
Good night,
an
everybody.
absolutely wonderful show. All right. Thank you for coming to Mrs. Books Puppeteer Town.
love the
Are you
ending
puppets?
one.
Yeah, wasn't that a great ending?
Yeah.
When they were screaming? What was your most favorite part? What was your part?
She was screaming like a
The cow scream? Okay, what else? What else? Raise your hand. Yes, what was your favorite part?
My favorite's like the pig.
The pig?
Thank you. Oh,
The pig was awesome. Anybody else for favorite parts?
What about me?
Yes, sweet.
I like the whole thing.
The whole thing, yeah. I agree with you. All right, let's do one more round of applause. You kids are awesome. Thank you all for coming. Go head back with your folks and have a great time at the carnival.
Okay, thank
Bye,
you.
kids. And remember, kids, hold on.
Daniel.
Oh, where is that? It's that. Oh, here it is. Kids, most important, remember this. Read books, lots of books, and learn to love them. Okay? Promise me? Everybody, Pinky, promise me?
Daniel.
Pinky promises. Yahoo! Read books, kids.